Selecting the right data center is a crucial decision for any business looking to optimize its IT operations. Instead of managing an in-house facility, many companies turn to third-party data centers, known as colocation providers, to save on costs and reduce the burden of daily maintenance. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best fit for your needs? Start by clarifying your company's goals and consulting with all relevant teams, from upper management to IT staff. Each department may have unique requirements, so gathering input ensures you don't overlook critical needs. Next, consider the location of the data center. Proximity to your business can impact internet speed, accessibility for your staff, and even the safety of your equipment during emergencies. Infrastructure is another key factor. Look for modern facilities with reliable power, cooling systems, and up-to-date technology. Service reliability is essential, so review the provider's uptime guarantees and disaster recovery plans. Security should never be compromised. Both physical and cyber protections must be robust. Scalability, carrier neutrality, and on-hand support are also important. Make sure the provider can grow with your business, offers flexible network options, and provides expert assistance when needed. Finally, research the provider's reputation and understand all costs involved. Taking these steps will help you find a data center partner that supports your business now and into the future. Provision provides expert advisory services for IT asset management and procurement, specializing in cloud, telecom, wireless networking, contact centers, cybersecurity, and more.